Hello friends, welcome to the Tiny Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUSTOR Drivestor Pro Gen2 series. So friend, ASUSTOR's latest NAS series, the Drivestor Pro Gen2 introducing notable enhancement in CPU performance, making use of ARM processors. This updated release announced on 8 January includes two models, 2-bay Drivestor 2 Pro Gen 2 and 4-bay Drivestor 4 Pro Gen 2 with an estimated market price starting at $269. So friend, the Drivestor 4 Pro Gen 2 stand out as an S kit powered by 4-core Realtek RTD1619B ARM processor, showcasing a remarkable 21% boosted CPU performance compared to its processor. This upgrade resulted in improved read or write speeds and expanded functionality. And friend, the ASUSTOR model marks the introduction of support for the Btrfs file system, adding the advanced data protection features such as point-in-time snapshots and data rollback and restoration in case of unmaintained changes. And the memory configuration include built-in DDR4 2GB, by the hot swap drive accommodates both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch HDD or SSD drives, enabling tool-free installation and removable. And friend, the network capabilities of Drivestor 4 Pro Gen 2 include support for 2.5 Gigabit LAN, and the interface is equipped with 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, and the physical dimension of the 2-bay model measure 114 by 230 by 170, and friend, 4-bay model is 174 by 230 by 170. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.